Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying permissions and removing conflicts. First, check that your Glip account has recorder access and that the app is up to date. Then, close any other programs using the microphone or camera; those block the recorder. Next, reboot the device to clear stuck processes and open Glip fresh. If you're on desktop, use the desktop client. Once done, you'll be ready to inspect device-level audio and camera settings inside the app. Now focus on how Glip talks to your hardware. In Settings, choose the exact microphone and camera device, then run a quick test to confirm signal. Make sure the operating system, Windows or Mac OS, or your browser has explicitly granted mic and camera permissions to Glip. Also, check for virtual audio drivers or exclusive mode settings that seize the audio device. Disable exclusive control and uninstall conflicting virtual drivers if necessary. Once you complete these steps, Glip should be able to initialize the recorder cleanly. Finish by restarting the app so settings take effect, and start a fresh recording to confirm success. If the recorder still fails, reinstall the Glip client, back up any local files first, and repeat permission grants. As a targeted troubleshooting tip, reset microphone and camera permissions, then test Glip in an incognito or private browser window to rule out extensions. If that reveals success, disable extensions. If not, gather logs and contact support with device details and exact error messages for a definitive fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.